Hey, what's up, fans? Hope you're excited, because we're going to be drawing Super Saiyan 4 Broly. Now, I know what you were expecting. We've never seen Broly in this form, but in Super Dragon Ball Heroes, he was revived by the Shadow Dragon, and at a cost, Broly was given the form that Goku and Vegeta from Dragon Ball GT obtained, and in result, in Super Saiyan 4. I know it sounds weird, but in the original show, we never saw Super Saiyan Broly in the actual movie in Super Saiyan 4 form, possibly because Broly was already the legendary Super Saiyan, and he didn't have to turn regular Super Saiyan or a Super Saiyan 4. But in Super Dragon Ball Heroes, the creators of the game decided to give Broly a new form. I mean, it would be awesome to give Broly a third form besides the legendary Super Saiyan form, and also for Super Saiyan Legendary, we only saw Broly in legendary Super Saiyan form and regular Super Saiyan form, but it would be awesome to see Broly in Super Saiyan 4. And Toy Animation decided to grant our wish and give Broly this new form. Okay. So, as we all remember by now, Super Saiyan 4 is the next level beyond Super Saiyan 3. And basically, in Dragon Ball AF, there's Super Saiyan 5. Which reminds me, Alexa, what is Super Saiyan 5?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, the Super Saiyan 5 is the following transformation above SS4, but it is not real.
What? Super Saiyan 5? Not real? Those liars. Super Saiyan 5 is real. I know. Alexa, again. I know what it... I've seen Super Saiyan 5 before, and yes, it is real. Okay. Now that we got that done, time to draw the lower half of his hair. There we go.
Once upon a normal day in the city of LA, Kyle Carosa got an idea for a crazy show. Streamed on apps was the mission, now it's moved to television. Everyone at Cartoon Network hopes it doesn't blow.
There we go.
Very nice. What? They're all thinking it. This is rated TV. Why? Hey, this is a tribute song, not the actual show. Oh, okay. Brother-sister combination with announcer narration, on the hunt for magic swords to increase their supply.
There's the earring.
She's the princess, not the queen. Taking out all evil doers, cause we are the good guys. We're warriors for hire. Magic swords, we're bowling evil.
I think I made the mouth too big. Sorry about that, folks.
Magic used by which way? Phil the thief got away. Lady in the purple hood sings us to the darkest wood. Family motto we proclaim, not just a job, it is our name across the land. Sword in hand.
There we go. There's the neck.
We're warriors for hire. Magic swords we're bowling, evil games we're dueling. We're warriors for hire. That Elias, don't you try to.
Now we just draw the hair.
Rocket chainsaw, electric eel, lobster claw, slingshot, celery, blow dryer, and mummy. Dummy slime, giant egg, sleeping dragon, boomerang, nail clipper, water gun, Excalibur. Come get some. Dolphin is an animal. The ladder is retractable. Zombie pumpkin, bling bling. Oinkus oinkus is a thing. Hover swords exploding, bubble ground bound, making rubble. Collect them all and watch them Cartoon Network Thursday night. We're warriors for hire.
There we go.
Swords we're rolling, evil fiends we're dueling. We're warriors for hire. Velma and Elias, don't you try to fight us. We're warriors for hire. Magic swords we're rolling.
There we go. Here's the bipexual.
Warriors for hire. Velma and Elias, don't you try to fight us. Yeah, mighty magic swords. Oh, shut up, Rohias. Aw, stop being a mean meanie. Stop being like you're 5. Oh, you're not wearing any pants. I hate pants. Well, what's with that accent? You always have to have the last word. Music is fading.
Okay. Be sure to draw the bipexual parts in his body. There we go.
Once upon a normal day in the city of LA, Hal Carosa got an idea for a crazy show. Streamed on apps was the mission, now it's moved to television. Everyone at Cartoon Network hopes it doesn't blow. Hey, that's not very nice. What? They're all thinking it. This is rated TV-Y. Hey, this is a tribute song, not the actual show. Oh, okay. Brother-sister combination with announcer narration.
There we go.
From magic swords to increase their supply. Hired by Zanji, she's the princess, not the queen. Taking out all evildoers, cause we are the good guys. We're warriors for hire.
There we go.
Magic swords we're bowling, evil fiends we're dueling. We're warriors.
There's his arm.
Amber and Elias, don't you try to fight us. Iboflavin citizens never think that we will win. Elias on accordion, and Vamba says awk. Gruck keeps landing on his wings, pissing off the Dino King, but we'll keep on questing because magic swords rock. Magic used by which way? Phil the thief got away. Lady in the purple hood sings us to the darkest wood. Family motto we proclaim, not just a job, it is our name across the land. Sword in hand, this is best plan. We're warriors for hire. Magic swords we're bowling, evil fiends we're dueling. We're warriors for hire. Velma and Elias, don't you try to fight us. Rad rocket, chainsaw, electric eel, lobster claw, slingshot, celery, blow dryer, and mummy. Dummy slime, giant egg, sleeping dragon, boomerang, nail clipper, water gun, Excalibur. Come get some.
There we go.
The ladder is retractable. Zombie pumpkin bling bling. Oinkus oinkus is a thing. Hover swords exploding bubble ground pound making rubble. Collect them all and watch them fight. Cartoon Network Thursday night. We're warriors for hire. Magic swords we're bowling. Evil fiends we're dueling. We're warriors for hire.
There we go.
And Elias, don't you try to fight us. We're warriors for hire. Magic swords we're bowling, evil fiends we're dueling. We're warriors for hire. Vammer and Elias, don't you try to fight us. Yeah, mighty magic swords. Oh, shut up, Rohias. Aw, stop being a mean meanie. Stop being like you're 5. Oh, you're not wearing any pants. I hate pants.
There we go.
What's with that accent? You always have to have the last word.
There's his arm.
Fading.
There we go. Now we just draw this mark here. Unlike Dragon Ball Super Broly, the original had this cloth covering his body.
Got an idea for a crazy show. Streamed on apps was the mission, now it's moved to television. Everyone at Cartoon Network hopes it doesn't blow. Hey, that's not very nice. What? They're all thinking it. This is rated TV-Y. Hey, this is a
I don't know, Mom.
brother sister combination with a
I think we're going for sushi. Didn't you
increase their supply.
didn't you tell me that?
Zanji, she's the princess, not the queen. Taking out all evildoers, cause we are the good guys.
Okay. Anyways, looks like regular Super Saiyan Broly, not the original.
Keeps wood. Family motto we proclaim, not just a job, it is our name across the land. Sword in hand, this is best land. We're warriors for hire. Magic swords will pull and evil games we're dueling. We're warriors for hire. That for highest, don't you try to fight us. Rad rocket, chainsaw, electric eel, lobster claw, slingshot, celery, blow dryer, and mummy. Dummy slime, joint egg, sleeping dragon.
There we go.
Now K.F.A from a Scalaburger. Come get some, dolphin is an animal. The ladder is retractable.
There's the loincloth. The original, the Dragon Ball Super Broly had this huge loincloth for that, from that giant animal that he calls Ba. That was Ba's ear. Do you think that I'm beginning to have thoughts here. I'm thinking that the Dragon Ball Super Broly could have, he might have the chance to turn Super Saiyan 4 in Dragon Ball GT if Goku Jr. gets the chance to meet him. I mean, there might be, well, my buddy Tyler's been coming up with a character, a legendary Super Saiyan that looks like Goku. I don't know, he might be a good guy. He might be an awesome character to see in the show. And if you've been watching Dragon Ball AF, you guys should be excited for the new episode of Dragon Ball Beyond Dragon Ball Super, and see how Vegeta and Goku deal with and fighting off against Moro and Murno from Dragon Ball Super and Dragon Ball GT. I mean, they used to be once, they were all enemies back then, but I wonder if they'll be good friends one of these days.
Combination with announcer narration on the hunt for magic swords to increase their supply. Hired by Zanji, she's the princess, not the queen. Taking out all evil doers, cause we are the good guys. We're warriors for hire.
Okay, now to finish it off, we just have to use the tail. We just have to draw the tail. And done. There we go.
Lady in the purple hood sends us to the darkest wood. Family motto we proclaim, not just a job, it is
And done.
across the land, sword in hand, this is best land. We're warriors for hire. Magic swords will pull and evil games.
There we go. That's how you draw Super Saiyan 4 Broly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys again soon. Oh, and hope you guys hope you guys have been watching my other videos, because I got over 1,050, I got like 1,500 views. Awesome, right? And if I keep drawing up more of the strongest characters, I might even reach 10,000. So I'm gonna need your support here for this. So, and anyways, I'll see you guys again soon.